In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Xero Verify device. If you've got a new phone or you need to switch the device that approves your Xero sign-ins, this walkthrough will guide you through the process from inside your Xero account. I'll keep it clear and simple so you can follow along confidently. First, open the Xero website and sign into your account as you normally would. Once you're on your Xero dashboard, look to the top right corner and select your profile icon. This is where you'll find your personal and security settings. From the menu that appears, choose Account. This takes you to your Xero identity settings, where you manage details like your sign-in preferences and two-step authentication. We're going to start a fresh setup so Xero knows to use your new device for verification. On the account page, find the option labeled Set Up. Click that to begin the security setup flow. Xero will guide you through the process step by step, and you'll be able to review each screen as you go. If you're already using multi-factor authentication, starting a new setup here updates which device is recognized. When you're asked how you want to verify, choose Use Xero Verify. This is Xero's own authenticator method, which supports secure push notifications and time-based codes. Selecting this option ensures your new device becomes the one that receives verification prompts when you sign in. From here, simply follow the on-screen instructions until you're finished. Xero will walk you through connecting your new device, typically by showing you a QR code to scan or a link to open, and then prompting you to approve a test notification or enter a verification code. Take your time with each screen and make sure you confirm any prompts on your device. If Xero shows you backup or recovery information, store it somewhere safe and offline. Keeping your previous device nearby while you complete the setup can help in case you need to confirm an existing sign-in. Once the setup shows as complete, your new device is now the one Xero will use for verification. The next time you sign in, you should receive a prompt on that device or be able to generate a code from it. If something doesn't look right, revisit the account page and repeat the setup to ensure the new device is correctly linked. That's it. Your Xero Verify device has been successfully changed. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any part of this video while you complete your setup.